Good morning.
Morning.
Where are we off to today, Adam?
Southwold.
Yeah, we're going to Southwold. We've got a beach hut for the day. Going with our family because it was my mum's birthday yesterday.
So this is her birthday treat.
Yeah, which is quite nice. We're currently heading to Home Bargains though for some last minute essentials and
picking up some bits for our upcoming holiday.
Oh yeah, picking up bits for our holiday. Got a couple of last minute toiletries to get, and we've got cat litter to get. That's only essential to autumn, but
yeah, new Disney videos incoming soon.
yeah. We're testing out our new mics. We got them stuck. We got them clipped to our seatbelts currently, so hopefully that'll make the audio on the airplane better. We're going to test them today, see what they're like.
Yeah.
And yeah, we'll catch up after we've been to Home Bargains. That's what we call Home Bargains because we're special.
Bye.
The road. Ooh.
Just arriving at Home Bargains.
Yeah, we made it to the first stop of the day.
And it's pretty empty.
Oh, I love it when it's empty.
Like a good empty Home Bargains. Yeah. Better than the Home Bargains we went in the other day.
Ah, it's a beautiful sight in the morning, Home Bargs.
Yeah.
See you in a minute. Made it to Pets at Home now. Got our bargains. There's people queuing. It's not even open yet. Oh, it's just opened. The horde has allowed in. Made you jump. Oh my goodness. I love the guinea pig.
Tesco's.
Yeah.
What did you buy?
I'm really hot.
You're really hot.
Just before I tell you what I buy, I'm really hot. I put my clips back in my hair because I got some unruly curls. But I bought Harry Potter Bitty Pops because I wanted Nearly Headless Nick, which is that one. And you get one mystery one, so that's unboxing. Right. So you get a little display unit thing, and I've got, comes with Dumbledore, Nearly Headless Nick, McGonagall, and a mystery which is, let's see, is this going to be a satisfying pull? No. Is it this? Why put easy tear tabs if they don't tear? Oh, satisfy. Right. Bits of plastic. Who did we get? We got... Ah, we got forks. That's really cute. I love these. Bitty Pops. And I got another Harry Potter thing. I don't usually go for Harry Potter, but some of the merch screamed at me and was going, buy me, buy me. So I got my microphone. This is magnetic and stuck to my necklaces. I got micro magical moments. So hopefully this isn't too much assembly required. Tape. So there's so many. Can I give a little hint of who I've got from what I'm looking at? I have no idea. Look at all the different ones. Not that you can. Oh, it opens. So So it's got a little backdrop, but on the back there's pixies, which gives me a hint that it could be Hermione. Oh, it's not. Oh, that is adorable. We have little tiny Harry Potter. It's a little mirror of word I can't remember with his parents in it. And then it goes in that. Modern toys are way too fiddly. Harry, you're facing the wrong way. That is adorable. What do you think, Adam?
Very nice.
I don't really get what the pixies are for, but
No, I don't know what.
I love that.
So what else did we buy in Tesco?
Well, I can't show you because they're in the boot.
Ah, but you have some stuff here.
Oh, breakfast.
Almond croissant.
Almond croissants. They're our downfall.
And drinks.
I got myself a Fanta watermelon. I'll let Adam show you what he got.
I got a Mountain Dew.
Because he loves his
nice.
Mountain Dew. So we're going to have our breakfast and then we'll get on the road to Southwold. 5 minutes away from our destination. We're in Southwold. How was the drive, Adam?
Yeah. Small little roads.
It's pretty. It's hot today, so I'm hoping this will be alright.
You got your parasol
Yeah, I got my parasol.
and your swimming shoes.
Swimming shoes.
Water shoes,
Water
what do you want to
shoes.
call them?
They're just water shoes.
Go for a paddle.
Yeah, provided there's not a lot of gunky seaweed. I hate gunky seaweed. Blech. We can see the sea, Adam.
Really?
Oh, I haven't seen the sea in so long. It's not like we live near the sea.
For context, we live by the sea.
Yeah.
There's the pier.
It seems a little bit lackluster than what I remember, but that's because I'm not seeing the pier part of the pier. There's the family. Don't leave us now, family. Big summer blowout. I want to know what that yellow thing is. What's Daniel got?
Kite? That looks like a kite.
Catch up later. There's someone watching. Gang's all here. You got any good snacks in there? No. No. Beach hut.
What a location.
Daniel's getting himself sun creamed up. I got Chris. Everyone else is out in the sun, we're staying in the shade. Piggy dipping! Piggy dipping! Piggy dipping! Piggy dipping! This is really cute. Look at the they got sea glass.
Be kind. Love. Try new things. Discover. Say I love you. Laugh, dream big. Take chances. Learn from your mistakes. Create memories. Hug often. Smile. Be yourself. Follow your dreams. Discover. Travel. Believe.
That was truly inspirational.
Live, laugh, love. Am I right? So, Megan, get in it. Get in it. Megan, not the front.
Oh, yeah, we got lots of food. Munch, munch, munch.
Yeah, man.
It's Photo Central. I've been in this beach hut for 5 days.
I'm sweaty as
And we're not even outside, everyone else is. We're losers.
thing is, I'm too fat to get my legs out. You know what I'm saying? My legs are out. Disgusting. Yeah, that made me uncomfortable.
Let's see what the next one is. Oh, that's just what we look like. What about this one? This one's probably not going to be very... Oh, that's just what I look like. What about the next one? That one's weird. Look at your head.
Select the correct eye level using the buttons on the left and then press start. Don't worry if you don't like having your photo taken. Let us try a gentle massage.
The seat's moving.
Now we need to increase the lighting to see under your skin. Finally, we need to make completely sure your expressions aren't posed.
Oh no. I hate this one. I hate that one. Yeah, we got the reincarnation one. Because the reincarnation one, you get the pictures of people that were before us.
That was rather ordinary. Let's try to capture something more spiritual. Now for that completely carefree, swept away.
My hair. Doing some drawing.
But you go on to the beach.
Oh, let me see.
So it's gonna have bug making a sandcastle. I'm gonna make a crab.
Oh, I love it.
Rat lying with his son.
You're never cold.
He is.
What is wrong with you? Hagstones. Look at little Bailey butts. Hang on, let me zoom out. Art and the artist. Oh.
Art and the artist.
Art and the artist.
I am the art.
Who is it? Rat the bat.
Rat the bat.
Bean.
Bug.
Bug the frog. Bailey the cat. And who is him?
I don't know. He's new.
Are you going to do a poll on Instagram for him?
I might do.
Hi, Dad.
The crab is not.
Well, I might not have got to see a seal, but I got to see a pigeon. Not that I can't see that every day, but...
Putting on them shoes. Whoop, there it is. You gonna just keep the cold patch on, or? Like, woo, woo. Oh shit! I was meant to film them. There they are. Whoa! Hello, gorgeous. That's probably enough of that. Hey, Daniel.
Big.
We should be filming them.
Probably should be.
That's Megan. That's Adam. Shit, hold on. Why do they have to stand like that? They ruined my shot. Okay. Megan. Followed by Adam. Doing their thing. Ew. Football. Daniel.
Big.
Over there, Megan and Adam doing a fantastic job at beach. They really are the best at beach. Truly unmatched. Wow, look at them beach. He metal detects. He detects the metal. He's doing a great job. Lonely. He is so lonely. He has nobody. He's all alone. Yeah, you kind of set up an eternal winter everywhere.
Everywhere.
Yeah, but you can just unfreeze it.
No, I can't. I don't know how.
Sure you can. I know you can. Hey. I didn't really film you much.
No? Shocker!
I did film you, but not much.
That's fine.
Toes.
Piggy dipping.
Piggy dipping at the piggy pond.
I found a painted stone.
Oh.
Emma! Clear. Not the condensation, Emma. I've got big headache vibes, Emma. Oh no, H2, oh no. Snacks have been consumed mostly. No, I think Dad did.
Yeah, those marshmallows.
These marshmallows I bought for myself. I ate 3 and Dad ate the rest. Now we're just waiting for the parental units because we want our dinners from the fishy chippins. Oh, come and show me what you got.
Because I didn't get many tickets, I got sweetie.
Show me, come show me up here. I want to film it. Oh, she's graceful as hell.
You have sweetie. Okay, I have sweetie.
What kind of sweeties?
I don't know, chew.
A little
have-
chew.
A mermaid. Oh, pink Ariel.
Ariel.
Oh, knock off Ariel.
And Fab.
Fab, there you go.
Thank you.
Have fun?
I did.
I did.
I did.
I got 2 things from the 2p machine.
What makes you laugh?
I got
You know it's a load of old crap. You want to win it.
I got orange key
More
ring
than anything, I needed this.
and I got this little heart key ring.
Thing that says green.
What else did I get? Where's my big winnings? Emma, I lost them.
Same place.
Oh. Did I put it in here?
No, in there. The
Oh,
ice cream does chips.
my big winning, because I got 200 tickets, I got this. Dingy 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 dingy. Becca, what did you get?
I got a skateboard.
Skateboard. Mother, Becca's having her moment.
Sorry.
Mother.
Mother.
This is not good when she does
And a
it.
keychain that says dreamer.
Oh, she's a dreamer. What else did I get? I got this little kitty cat. I got a magnet.
Well, no, because then the
Pier patch. Oh, and I got a bucket of stones.
it's not like any of us are going to be fast enough to come back here. It's gonna go well.
Got your hello. Like your fish, Daniel. What have you got, Adam?
Chips, battered sausage, and a battered turkey.
What have you got?
Chips.
And what have you got?
Shit on a string.
What have you got?
Chips.
Chips. Men. Ugh. I got chips and nuggets and we're sharing halloumi. That was like you. How else are you supposed to feel? Is it good?
It's very juicy.
I don't know if I'd like that. Yeah.
You said you wanted it, right?
The fried pickle. Hot. It's hot.
I know it's hot. I just burnt myself on it. I forgot to tell you. Not deliberately.
I mostly got batter then. Let me try again. Hot. That's good. It's hot. What's that, Ray? Daily rental, Southwold beachhut.net. Is that where you got booked this? Very well worth it. Seagull. Sublime. That's the beach hut and all the others. Have you had a good day?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm very tired, very windswept.
It is that sea air making you tired.
Here comes all the fam. Had a good day, Mum?
I had a really good day.
Good.
It's fun.
It was fun. Now to go home. So, had a good day, Becca?
Yeah, I'm tired.
I'm so tired. I'm so tired.
As far away as we could.
Yeah.
Well, there was no space.
Yeah, we did. Hey, Daniel. Had a good day, Daniel? Good. Now we all need to nap. Filming now because I see choo-choo lights. That means there's got to be a choo-choo. Well, why aren't you moving, choo-choo?
So it's either coming this way, or when it's in the station, it still holds up the road.
Oh, choo-choo. Cute.
Saxon.
Love trains. Fun little choo-choo.
And little choo-choo. 2 days later, Adam here. yeah, so the outro that we did film originally, the audio turned out to be missing, so just filming a small outro to round this video out. We had a great day at Southwold, and yeah, hope you all enjoyed the video. Bye!